we've cut this off in here and sanded it down some. So now we get it to fit inside where it needs to be. Put that in here. Now we're going to take our 1¼ inch stick and we're going to drill our hole in here, 1¼ with this bit, so we can mount our stick. That's why we marked our center here so we wouldn't lose it. Okay, we got our hole drilled. So now we can mount our stick and we'll glue this in where it goes and let it set up. Then we'll be ready to start drill our hole for our string, and we can start working on the mouth. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.